then Jovaughn is right there. Yeah. Today we're going to be doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge, where you get marshmallows. We already opened them, but you get you get marshmallows and then you put them in your mouth and you have to say Chubby Bunny. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. Oh, okay, ready? You go first. You kind of like that.
Boy, it's in the bowl.
Marshmallow. Okay. We'll put a little bit in the bowl. Yeah, so I'm going to use like this much just for now. Just in case we can't finish it a little bit. And it is a challenge, everyone. So, here you can start.
One chubby bunny.
One chubby bunny.
Two chubby bunny.
Two chubby bunny. Yeah, two.
Three chubby bunny.
Three. Three chubby bunny.
Four chubby bunny.
Four chubby bunny.
My friend was so big.
Yeah, big. They're huge.
Five chubby bunny.
Five chubby bunnies.
Oh my god. Six chubby bunny.
Six chubby bunnies.
Oh my god. Seven chubby bunny.
Seven chubby bunnies.
Eight chubby bunny. Oh my god.
So how much was that?
I did seven.
I was eight.
Oh, Jesus Christ. God.
Nine chubby bunny.
Shani?
Wow. Me too, me too.
So that was the last one? Well, not really.
Put
Up
more
to the
in
bowl.
there. Sorry.
You each. Wait, let me see. Ooh. So Kathi-Ann went 10 and Shani went 7. Ah!
So now it's Jovaughn. No? So you know.
Not this much.
Yeah.
One chubby bunny. Two chubby bunny. Three chubby bunny. Four chubby bunny. 5 chubby bunny. 6 chubby bunny.
Don't swallow them, you hear?
What's wrong, man?
Okay, you keep that for me.
7 chubby bunny. Eight, 8 chubby bunny. 9 chubby bunny.
It done?
No, there's one there.
10 chubby bunny.
and then. One more. One more. Spit it out. You really gonna show that? Oh my god, that's disgusting. You spit that out?
I'm good.
Are you gonna eat those?
You done?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm not doing it.
You're not doing it, you jackass. I don't want for anything there because that's the anti already.
Just go. Just go.
Just go where?
So you want me to do it?
Yeah, you go do it. We will finish. I'll hold the camera. It's okay. Ready? We're gonna start.
Ready and oh shit.
It's already on, yeah.
No wait, sorry. Let's stop it now. Go.
Chubby? Okay.
No, but not that.
That's it?
Bloopers.
Okay, fine. I think to be funny.
Alright, go.
No, it can't. Wait, you can't move on to the range. You can see us, okay? You
Yep.
can hear us? Well, yeah, you can hear us from there, so?
Yes, I can.
That's a stupid question.
Bloopers.
Yeah, bloopers.
Bloopers.
Okay, yeah, turn it off now. Okay.
Recording.
Okay, then.